how to transfer BONK from Trust Wallet to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get to withdrawal address of BONK token from our Bybit account. Now, first of all, open the Bybit app and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on Assets and now tap on Deposits and click on Deposit Crypto. So in the search bar, just type BONK like that. So after you find your token, now you just click on it. So after that, what you do, just click on Sol as a network, and now you can copy the withdrawal address of your token. Now go and open your Trust Wallet app. Now, after you open the Trust Wallet app, you need to go and open and click on your token, as you can see here. So as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. So after that, now click on Send, and now here you can provide the withdrawal address that you copied from Bybit, and here you can see the amount that you want to transfer, and after that you can now click on Next. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your BONK token to your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer BONK from Trust Wallet to Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.